Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. Markets are back in a slow uptrend. As you can see, there's a trend channel in the Dow. Even though we've got a very choppy market, which we can still expect based upon this uptrend, because the nature of the market is telling us that any positive tweet or any negative tweet can push this market one way or the other. However, we have the T-line factor. That is, as long as we stay above the T-line, it has to be assumed that we're in an uptrend. Same scenario over here on the Nasdaq. Ever since they gapped it up above the T-line, it's been using the T-line as support. We're still in an uptrend as long as the indexes stay above the T-line. This makes some of our candlestick patterns, especially the J-hook pattern, very profitable this week. Our position on Goose, when we started a few weeks ago, based upon the bobble breakout, which is just a more defined J-hook pattern, second J-hook pattern, it's still moving in the right direction. Today, we pushed in the chat room to get into Cardiff, CRDF, because it was trading positive on a J-hook pattern. And here's where the T-line factor also becomes much more evident for identifying strong price moves. Notice on this pullback during this uptrend, they could never close it below the T-line. And note all the indecisive trading right here at the T-line, and then the trajectory starting back up, producing a good 28% upside profit today. So we're looking at AX, NX tomorrow. Same scenario, an inverted hammer, a doji. Still couldn't close it below the T-line. Now your best friend signal, a doji followed by a gap up, forming this J-hook pattern. This one will be bought on positive trading tomorrow with the expectation of wave one, wave two, wave three being the same magnitude as wave one. And we're seeing that same thing on the strongest of the biggies, Netflix. Notice the kicker type signal that created this J-hook pattern that bounced up off the T-line. If this opens positive tomorrow, we still have the prospect of wave one and wave three taking us at least back up here to test this level. So the benefit we have of the visuals and candlestick analysis is not only can we add the aspect of a individual signal like the kicker signal, that we can add it to our analysis of a pattern setup to give us that much more confirmation that we're in the right trade at the right time. We also have been in some of the Frypan bottom patterns. Our recommendation on BNTX last week was based upon this Frypan bottom breakout right here at the beginning of the pattern and through the 50, keeping us in a strong uptrend no matter which way the market was moving on any given day. That'll also lead to our 2+2 analysis, which is identifying a Frypan bottom and now a bobble breakout, which continues this Frypan bottom, giving you that much more added evidence that this could have a strong price move also. The benefit we have is when we can see candlestick signals and patterns and also apply the T-line to enhance our ability to see what type of pattern setup is occurring, we're just dramatically improving our probabilities of being in the right trade at the right time. We're going to be doing a 2-day training session on the T-line in conjunction with the candlestick signals and patterns next weekend, October 17th and 18th. This combination of identifying patterns, the signals, and utilizing the T-line just dramatically improves your profitability based upon the correct trade ratio dramatically increasing that you're in the right trade at the right time. That'll be it. As long as this market is still trading above the T-line, the high profit pattern breakouts are still occurring. We'll see you in the chat rooms.